Are you feeling stuck with your credit or trying to bounce back after a slip? You are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down secured credit cards, your secret weapon for building or rebuilding credit, and figuring out whether a secured or an unsecured card is right for you. Let's crack open the debate and settle it once and for all. Welcome back to Credit Duck. A secured credit card is like a regular credit card, but with a twist. You make a deposit, and that becomes your credit limit. So, if you deposit $300, you can spend up to $300. Think of it as a security blanket for the bank, but a super helpful one for you. Why does the bank require a deposit? Since they are offering credit to someone with little or no credit history. The deposit ensures they are covered if a cardholder misses payments. It reduces the risk for the bank while still giving you the chance to build or rebuild your credit responsibly. But don't worry, mostly this deposit isn't gone forever. It's yours, and you get it back once you close the account or upgrade to an unsecured credit card. The deposit works as a collateral, meaning the bank has a backup in case you miss a payment. Just like regular card, you can use it for purchases, pay it off monthly, and here's the magic part, build your credit score. If you use it responsibly, you're showing the credit bureaus that you can manage credit. And if you make all your payments on time and keep your balances low, you'll be on the fast track to improving your credit. But remember, if you miss a payment or max out your credit card, your credit could take a hit. So in short, a secured credit card is a great option for building or rebuilding your credit, especially if you're just starting out or have had some credit bumps in the past. Now, let's talk about unsecured credit cards, the most common type of credit card you'll come across. Unlike secured cards, you don't need to make a deposit to get one. Sounds like a dream, right? The bank gives you a credit limit based on how much they trust you. They look at things like your credit score, income, and how you have handled credit before to decide your limit. You get to spend up to your credit limit, and just like secured card, you pay it off monthly. But here's the catch. If you don't pay on time or carry a high balance, your credit score could take a hit. Think of it like renting an apartment. With a secured card, you pay a security deposit upfront, just in case you accidentally damage the credit carpet. But with an unsecured card, it's like renting without a deposit because the landlord or bank trust you'll keep the place or your card in tip-top shape. Just don't throw a wild spending party or you'll lose that trust. You're probably thinking, if a secured card means putting down a deposit, why even bother? Well, let me tell you, it's worth it. Not everyone can qualify for an unsecured card, especially if your credit history isn't strong, your score is on the lower side, or you're working to recover from past financial mistakes. If you fall into the fair or poor credit category, it's likely that your application for an unsecured card might not be approved. In those cases, the secured card can be a great alternative to help you build or rebuild your credit. First up, it helps you build or rebuild credit. If you're starting fresh or bouncing back from a credit hiccup, secured cards shows the credit bureaus you can handle responsibility, pay on time, and watch your score climb. Second, it's easier to get approved. The deposit makes the bank feel safe. So even if your credit score isn't great or doesn't exist, you're more likely to qualify. And finally, it's your stepping stone into an unsecured card. Use it wisely, and before you know it, you could upgrade or qualify for a regular credit card. Plus, you get your deposit back. So yeah, a secured card might take a little upfront effort, but it's a smart move for your financial future. Think of it as a key to unlocking better credit opportunities. Let's break down the key features of secured and unsecured credit cards to see how they stack up. First, a secured credit card requires a deposit. On the flip side, unsecured cards don't require a deposit. In secured cards, the deposit acts as your credit limit. So if you deposit $300, that's your limit. In unsecured cards, your credit limit is based on your credit score and history. Secured cards are easier to get approved for, making them ideal if you're looking to build or rebuild your credit. Unsecured cards, on the other hand, typically requires a good credit score and history to get approved. When it comes to perks, secured cards usually don't offer many, but unsecured cards can have awesome rewards like cashback or points along with higher credit limits. Both types can improve your credit score with responsible use. But with unsecured cards, there's a higher risk if payments aren't managed well. One great thing about secured cards is that they are low risk. Your deposit is refundable if you close the account. Unsecured card, though, carry the risk of debt if not used responsibly. Alright, now we have broken down key differences. Let's talk about which card is right for you. If you're just starting out with credit or looking to rebuild after some credit bumps, a secured credit card could be your best bet. The deposit helps minimize the bank's risk, and you'll have an easier time getting approved, which makes it perfect for building or rebuilding your credit. Once you have got your secured card, it's all about using it wisely. Start by making small purchases and paying your balance in full each month to avoid interest. On-time payments are key to building or improving your credit score. Keep an eye on your credit utilization. Try to use no more than 30% of your limit to show you can manage credit responsibly. After a few months of good behavior, you can start looking at options to upgrade to an unsecured card or increase your credit limit. Keep up the good work and soon you'll be on the way to a healthier credit profile. But if you have already got a solid credit history and a good score, an unsecured credit card might be the way to go. No deposit required, and you could qualify for rewards, better perks, and higher credit limits. At the end of the day, it all depends on where you stand with your credit. If you're starting fresh or bouncing back, a secured card gives you the foundation you need. But if you're ready to step it up, an unsecured card can open the door to even more rewards and flexibility. So whether you're building or leveling up, there's a card for every step of your credit journey. While upgrading to an unsecured card is often the goal, some people may prefer to keep their secured card for a while. If you're happy with a manageable limit, helping keep spending in check, want to build credit longer, or don't feel a need for higher limit, sticking with secured card could make sense for a longer-term credit building strategy. But if you're ready for more flexibility and the potential rewards that come with unsecured cards, aim to upgrade when you're able to. Alright, time to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you team secured or team unsecured? What's your biggest takeaway from today's card showdown? And hey, don't forget to crack that subscribe button if you want more tips and get all the deets from yours truly, Credit Duck.